going on, everyone? Today I want to be going over all your assignments you have for this week. Real quick, if you go to your course modules, you'll be able to find everything you need there. First and foremost, make sure you're completing both the Park Pledge and the Student Acceptance of Rights and Responsibilities. You won't be able to access the first module if you don't. Now you have 7 things due this week. Usually it's not this much, but let's go ahead and break these down here from a fundamental standpoint. Now you have 2 discussion questions, 4 quizzes, and 1 reflection paper. For your introduction, make sure you are just signing on and answering these little bits here about yourself, and then respond to one of your classmates. So pretty straightforward with that. For your discussion question of the week, you're going to take one of these prompts. So you have 4 prompts here to choose from, and you want to write your initial post based on whichever prompt you are choosing. And then you want to follow up with at least 2 of your classmates, so making a total of 3 posts. Remember that half of your grade is your follow-up responses. So the first half is your initial post, second half is your follow-up responses. So don't lose out on points by not posting your follow-up there. For your chapter quizzes, all of your chapter quizzes are based on the text. You can find all the materials you'll need for that under the Files section. So if you go to Files, and then click on Course Files and PowerPoints, Course Files, PowerPoints, it will give you all the PowerPoints you need. This week, focusing on chapters 1 and 2. So you do have 20 minutes and 2 attempts for each of these first 2 quizzes. So make sure you get those done. Your 2 professional development quizzes here. The first one is on what we talked about in class on Monday, which is your fitness and wellness degree path here. So make sure you use the Park catalog that we showed you there on Monday. And the second professional development quiz is based on this TED Talk here, so make sure you get a good view of that. There is no time limit on this one, so make sure that you take your time with that. And then finally, your reflection paper. This should be roughly about a page long, where you are going to really look at these 4 different kind of types of capital here and really write on as a reflection on them how that is impacting you in college and what your kind of thoughts are with that. So there you have it. That is your assignments for the week. If you have any questions, as always, make sure you shoot me a text or send me an email, and I will see you all here soon.